What's going on, chat? Going live from Wild Seafood in Jessup, Maryland. You know, got the day off, so I was like, let's go cook something. Let's go find something good. I don't know. I'm craving oysters, so we're gonna see what they got. And based on the sign right here, they got fresh shellfish. As you can see, got a nice variety in here. And we gotta get up out of here now. I'll show you what I got. Show you how we about to cook it. What's going on, chat? See, we got the world's biggest oysters here. Like, you ever seen an oyster this big? Like, this is crazy. So, we're about to open this guy up. I'll make some charbroiled oysters, stuff with some crab meat, some garlic butter, some parmesan, all that good stuff. And yeah, stay tuned. The big reveal. Take this lid off. Free this guy. Look at that. Tell me that's not the biggest oyster you've ever seen. I'll make sure we free it. That guy nice in there. Get any shells or anything. Right that out of there. And time to assemble. Some Atlantic garlic butter. Or your favorite brand.
You bring a knife? You bring a knife?
That's cool.
That works.
Ready, son? Nice. Put that guy right there. And put our lump crab meat here. We take generous spoonful of this here and just break it up over the top of this guy. Like that in. See that guy right there? Hold that up for you. It's a lot of crab meat. And what are we gonna do? Make it rain Parmesan cheese over this guy. Hit it with some of that Tony's. And leave that guy right here. Take this guy. Throw it into the guy. the jumboest charbroiled oyster I've ever seen. Literally. So, I guess now we gotta try it. Let's see it. See that? Yeah, this is. I get messy, but. Yeah. Now that's a charbroiled oyster. If you want to see more of my antics, make sure you like, subscribe, and see what we're doing next. Alright, y'all. Me and my shit in peace.